Dear friends, you want to see the rain more? It's overflows. So chill out here. I'm getting drenched in the rain and it gives a nice good feeling to get drenched in the rain as well as take bath in the rain. Purest form of water. The downpour. The crows are out making some noise. Think they cannot find any food over here. All these animals, no, the birds and all that, they are stuck. So if you could feed a dog or a cat or any other animals, no, just feed them. I don't know where my dogs have gone. We've got 3 dogs here in our street, but I don't know where they've gone. They would have found a shelter, it seems. I don't know. They'll lie under the cars and all that. So whenever you take your car, just see whether cats, dogs and all are there near the wheel. Make sure no cat and dog is there, because for the sake of shelter, just they go under the car or truck or bus, or we used to have a safe shelter during rains. Take care, my dear friends. A day full of love, light and happiness, prosperity, wisdom and peace.